What's up, guys? USA Elevators here. We're going to Rapid Wash Car Wash in Rapid City, South Dakota. Shout out to Car Wash News, who has been here a couple years ago, actually 5 years ago.
Okay, what am I doing? Here's the card.
Let's see, we get the let's get to 18.
The works?
Mm-hmm.
What? No what? Oh.
Wash clubs offer great value and welcome to our club. Please, would you like to upgrade to our wash club program? Please select extra services. When proceeding, please select the payment method or insert bills into the bill. Please insert your card.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Into the payment spot before following the instructions on the
We're
screen.
recording now.
Mm-hmm.
Need a receipt?
Yeah, please.
You are now ready to pay the card. Please proceed by following
Thank you.
Full Jumerian.
and thank you
Give it.
for your car wash.
No, I normally do. That's fine. Yeah, track on this one. Okay. Oh, there's somebody sending me. Mm-hmm. Directing me. I'm hoping I'm going straight.
Put it in neutral.
Yeah.
Oh, they have a screen right there too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
Got our pre-soak and high pressure rinse at the same time. Got our pre-soak. We're in a giant squid. These are side brushes. We have bottom blast. Triple foam. We're in a giant octopus. It's a top brush. More giant squid. And top brush just changed direction in the rotation. Side brushes again. Oh, this is a triple foam. That was extra pre-soak before the top brush. We're getting our rocker panel plasters right now. More giant octopus. We got more giant squid. We got our side brushes. We got high pressure rinse. It's a giant wave. Got Rain-X. It's a wave. We got our spot-free rinse. It's a giant tornado. We got the dryers here. Doesn't look like Winnie the Pooh or Elmo is here. Now we got our green. Looks like yellow is missing.
You want to inspect, right?
Yeah. Wow, this wash did such a good job. It got the dirt off the back. It did a nice job on the rocker panel blasters during the wash and the rocker panel brushes. Got all the bugs off, which is good. That was Rapid Wash Car Wash in Rapid City, South Dakota. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos come out. And if you leave a comment, I will try to answer back. Thank you so much for watching, and that is it.